Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome to my regular online class. You know, in my previous classes, I talked about right use of verbs, and today I am also discussing it. And today I will discuss rules 10 and 11. Hope you will stick with me and try to understand today's lesson. Rule 10. If you find two clauses connected by coordinating conjunctions and or but, relative pronouns that, which, what, when, where, then the verb of the second clause depends on the verb of the first clause. That means if the verb of first clause is present, then the verb of second clause will be present also. And if the verb of first clause is past, then the verb of second clause also becomes past. So let's be clear with examples. He came, he saw, and he conquered. Here we find three clauses: he came, he saw, and he conquered. We find that the two clauses, he came and he saw, and the last clauses, he conquered, are connected with and the first two clauses indicate past indefinite tense, so the final clause will also be past indefinite tense, so the answer will be conquered. Example B, Josim did the same what direct by the authority. We find two clauses here connected with what, and the second clause indicates passive mode of verb, so the answer will be in passive mode. And we find the first clause past tense, so the second clause will also be past, and the answer will be, in this case, was directed by the authority. Joshim did the same what was directed by the authority. Rule 11. If we find first clause in past indefinite tense plus that plus second clause with next plus time, then will be the placed before the verb of second clause. That means if you find first clause in past indefinite tense and the other clause with next plus time connected with that, then you have to use would before the verb of second clause. For examples, he said that he visited the Cox's Bazar sea beach on the next month. Here you find the first clause past tense, he said, and in the second clause there is a phrase of time on the next month, and if you find a phrase of time in the second clause, then you have to use would before the verb of second clause. In this case the answer will be such that he said that he would visit the Cox's Bazar sea beach on the next month. Example B, Rohim told me that his father returned from his workplace on the fixed time. In this example, we also find two clauses connected with that, and we find a time phrase on the last part of the second clause on the fixed time. This is why you have to use verb would before return. So the answer would be, Rohim told me that his father would return from his workplace on the fixed time. Example C, Rohim gave word me that he helped me in my danger by hook or by crook. In this example, the answer will be, he would help me in my danger by hook or by crook on the next month or on the next week or on the fixed date. Okay, thank you all of the students who are at it with me, and today I will touch the finishing line and hope you have enjoyed the class, and we will become together again tomorrow with another rules. Till then, keep safe and sound. Assalamu alaikum.